Adam Goldberg and Barry Goldberg start walking around a circular park of radius 105 meters. They start at the same point. Adam Goldberg goes clockwise at 15 meters per second while Barry Goldberg goes anti-clockwise at 12 meters per second. How many times will they cross each other at the starting point if they walk for 1 hour 50 minutes? See, questions on circular track, if you know some formulas, a lot of questions you will be able to solve with that. Okay. Now, what is happening here? Both of these people are starting from one point and they are going in the opposite direction, right? Adam is going in clockwise at 15 meters per second while Barry is going anti-clockwise at 12 meters per second. So, they are going in the opposite direction. How many times will they cross each other at the starting point if they walk for 1 hour 50 minutes? Now, whenever you have a question on circular track, okay, now you have two people starting from one point and moving in the opposite direction. They will again meet at the starting point, right, at the LCM of their speeds. So, if I say that a person is, LCM of the time, in the sense, let us assume that you have a circular track, okay. The circular track here, I am saying it is L meters. If the circular track is L meters and the speed of one person is A meter per second and the speed of the other person is B meter per second, then I can say that both these people will meet again at the starting point at LCM of L by A, L by B seconds, right. I hope a lot of you are aware of these formulas, okay. So, if you know this, solving the question becomes very, very easy. Okay, see what is this L by A? It is nothing but the time, right? Distance divided by speed. That is basically the time taken by each of them to cover the track. LCM of that will give you the next time when they will meet again at the starting point. So, that is what it means. Now, here what is given? There is a circular track of radius 105 meters. So, circular track of radius 105 meters means this is 105. So, what is the circumference of the circular track or what is the length of the circular track? It is nothing but 2 pi r, or that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 105, correct? See, I am finding out the length of the circular track. I know the radius is 105. So, the length of the circular track is nothing but the circumference of this circular track, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 105, that is equal to 660 meters. Now, what is the time taken by A to finish running through this circle? It is nothing but 660 divided by 15, correct? So, that is the time taken by A to finish running one full round. So, 660 divided by 15, that is equal to 44 seconds. Similarly, what is the time taken by B to complete one round? B will complete one round in 660 divided by 12, that is equal to 55 seconds. Now, what is the time when both of them will meet again at the starting point? It is nothing but the LCM of the time taken by each of them separately. That is what this formula says, right? So, I have already found out the time here. So, LCM of 55 and 44, or what is LCM of 55 and 44? See, 11 into 5 into 4, that should be the LCM, right? 11 into 5 into 4, that is 220. So, that has to be the LCM of 55 and 44. So, what can I say? After the next 220 seconds, they will meet again at the starting point, or for every 220 seconds, they will keep meeting at the starting points. Now, both of them are walking for how many, for what duration? 1 hour 50 minutes. Now, 1 hour 50 minutes is how much? In terms of, see, this is seconds, right? 1 hour 50 minutes in terms of seconds is how much? See, 1 hour is 3600 seconds, right? Then you have 50 minutes. 50 minutes is how many seconds? 50 into 60, or I can say it is 3000 seconds. So, 1 hour 50 minutes is 6600 seconds. So, in the 6600 seconds, they are meeting for every 220 seconds. So, how many times will they meet? 6600 by 220, that is equal to 30. So, 30 times they will meet. Correct answer will be option B, 30 seconds.